You walk into an electronics store to buy a TV. You're excited about the new OLED models. The salesperson is friendly, humble. She kindly explains there isn't much to be excited about. Better contrast, better dynamic range, but not worth the cost. Your enthusiasm drops. You leave without buying. What does that have to do with managing people? More than you'd think. The first sale happens during hiring, that's obvious. But another sale happens every single day. Managers sell the work to their employees, who pay for it with their time. Exciting work? People pay with a lot of it. Often more than the contract asks for. Dull work? They pay with less, or with distracted, low-quality hours. So who makes the work exciting? You do. Tool 1. Change your mindset. Are you excited about your team's contribution? Or cynical about the lowly work they have to dredge through? Cynicism is easy, especially after years on the job. But remember, leadership is not about being in charge. It's about taking care of those in your charge. Simon Sinek. 3 quick moves to shift your mindset. 1. List the positive aspects of your work. The first few come easy. Then your brain wants to flood you with problems. Push through. Even your coffee mug counts. Soon you become a positivity radiator. 2. Focus on people, not project. The project may drain everyone. But you have a great team, and you're a manager who cares. Hard situations are bonding opportunities. 3. What's coming up next? A child eats broccoli quicker when dessert is in sight. Show the roadmap. Suddenly, the current grind becomes bearable. Tool 2. Understand individual needs. Not everyone wants to change the world today. Some need to slow down. New baby. Burnout. Life. Others want to stretch. Your job: match people with work. Start with interest areas. James loved presentations. Jenna lived for data. Peter wrote beautiful emails. I happen to like public speaking. Together we pitched our CEO and won the funding. If interest doesn't fit, check the growth plan. Someone learning Python? Hand them the new data tool. Not having growth conversations yet? Start this week. Some work nobody wants. Negotiate hard to avoid taking it on. And if you can't, share the load fairly. Tool 3. Understand the contribution. Contribution is a deep human need. We work harder when we see we matter. 3 ways to make it visible. Revenue or profit, numbers people can hold. Strategic alignment, the bigger picture. Customer benefit, why this matters to a human. Vision and mission are the North Star. Day to day, your team needs the small picture. Why this task? For whom? 70% of employees aren't engaged. That's not their failure. It's a leadership opportunity. How can we make every piece of work worth doing? Continue the discussion at bettermanagers.club.